Hello there. Kayla affirmative versus Aaron negative. Affirmative opening argument vaccine requirements for children. I affirm the resolution that vaccines ought to be required for children. Vaccination is one of the most effective and important tools in modern medicine. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, vaccines protect children from serious, often life-threatening diseases such as measles, polio, and whooping cough. The CDC in 2024 states most families decide to follow the recommended vaccination schedule because the benefit far outweigh the risk. Vaccines not only protect individuals but also serve a broader societal purpose through herd immunity. This means that when a large majority of the population is vaccinated, it helps protect those who are medically vulnerable or immunocompromised and cannot receive vaccines themselves. As the History of Vaccines project highlights, vaccines have been responsible for the global eradication of smallpox and the dramatic decline of other deadly illnesses like measles and rubella, according to the College of Physicians of Philadelphia. Opponents often cite ethical concerns about parental autonomy and government mandates. However, public health policy must balance individual freedoms with collective safety. Vaccine mandates are not about removing choice, they are about setting a standard that prevents harm. Informed consent and transparency are vital, but as McKee and Bohannon from 2016 note in the Journal of Pediatric Pharmacology and Therapeutics, many parents who refuse vaccines do so not out of rational risk-benefit analysis, but because of misinformation, fear, or distrust. This presents a public health risk. In the same study, McKee and Bohannon in 2016 found that unvaccinated populations contribute to outbreaks of preventable diseases, placing children and communities at unnecessary risk. Therefore, requiring childhood vaccines is not only an evidence-based intervention, it is a moral imperative. As public health professionals, educators, and citizens, we must prioritize the health and well-being of all children, especially those who are most at risk. Even if some parents disagree with mandates, the state has a compelling interest in preventing avoidable illnesses, disabilities, and death. Just as we require seatbelts, child car seats, and clean drinking water standards, vaccines are a rational and proven public safety measure. In conclusion, requiring vaccines for children is supported by science, history, and ethics. It is a policy that saves lives, protects the vulnerable, and ensures the health of future generations. Thank you.